everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? I trust you all are doing great where you are. It's still a little humid this way, but yeah, we are riding it. Happy International Women's Month to all the great women out there, right? And yeah, so today, as usual, we're bringing you how we made one of our bespoke pieces. This piece right here can actually work for 3 different things or more, depending on the kind of person that you are. If you are daring, this could be a wedding guest dress. Yeah, it could work as a wedding guest dress. It could also work as a bridesmaid's dress. You could wear it to your parties. You could wear it to dinner dates. You could wear it to work even. Yes, it is that dress, that one dress that serves you. Yeah, right after the party, you can still wear it to your corporate meetings. Yes, it is that decent. It is also that party-ish and corporate. Okay, so before I tell you how we went about doing this one, I am going to walk you through our links. So right here, yeah, is the Makisode YouTube channel. Do subscribe. On a weekly basis, we bring you brand new videos. Yeah, videos. It could be inspiring you. The videos could be inspiring you on all of the possibilities of crochet, or they could be showing you how we made one of our bespoke pieces like this one right here. Or we could be demystifying what one celebrity or another wore to some occasion or just wore out, yeah, casually. Yeah, we do all that. You find our galleries on Instagram. Yes, our wedding apparel, our wedding day apparel, you find those on at Makisode Weddings. And then for corporates, casuals, accessories, and others, you find those on at Makisode Models, both on Instagram. Right, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do well to follow our Instagram handles, leave nice comments and share the content we have on there. Yeah, there's so much useful content that you can share, you can use, and you can also share. All right, so let's dive in. We're going to call this dress TUMI, right? TUMI inspired by turmeric, right? Because of the color, right? Yeah, so we're going to call her TUMI. We made TUMI in I think 3 main parts. I'd call it main parts because it could be other parts. We made the body, right? The body from this point, yeah, right here. This point right here is under the armpit. Yeah, we made from that point down, and then we now walked up. Okay, so we made the body of the dress first, right? And I'll tell you a little thing we added to the design. Now this dress was made with a lace design. A lace design that comes in 4 row sets. When I say 4 row sets, it means that after every 4 rows you repeat the design. So row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, when you're repeating, you're going to be repeating row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, like that. So that's how this dress that's how this particular lace design comes in. And this lace design allows increase where you need it. All right, so we needed an angle of sorts for the back to give the back a tail-like look and feel, and we could achieve that with this particular lace design. So yes, you need to find a lace design that will enable you create an angle, right? But if you don't, you can create your own dress without the angle, without the tail. All right, that's also left to you. It will still come out nicely. So find your own lace design. Yeah, it could be a 6 row set, it could be an 8 row set, a 10 row set, a 2 row set, whatever it is that works for you, or whatever it is you can lay your hands on in your neck of the woods, it will definitely work. All right, so we made the body. So these our rows. Yeah, I'm just going to walk you through what they consist of. So we had an all-round double crochet row. Yeah, right after that we had a V and a single crochet. Yeah, you have the V stitch, you skip 2, do a single crochet, and in between the V stitch and the single crochet we're chaining 2. So 2 chains to separate the V stitch and the single crochet. That is this row right here. And then the next row we had double crochet together in clusters of just 3, right? Separated by a chain. you know, double crochet two together, double crochet two together, like that. That's what we had. We had that, those I call them shells because they're still really small. Yeah, we had those in the V stitch. Those were inserted in the V stitch, as you can see right there. And then finally we now had a mesh row of double crochet and chains, double crochet and chains into each chain space from the previous row. So we had a chain space between the double crochet together, and then we had a chain space between the inside of or within the shells. So yes, inside those spots are where you're going to be inserting your double crochet stitches, separated by one chain. And then you repeat the process. See, right after that mesh row, we start again with the double crochet row, you know, so double crochet into every stitch across. That's what we had right there. This is for the part where you do not have to create a V or create an increase. So for the part where we have to create a V or create an increase, right, we used this, I'll call it this double crochet shell, double crochet fan. Yeah, so double crochet, two double crochet, yeah, then one chain, then two double crochet. Yeah, that's what we used to create the V, so into all of that spot there, we it enabled us create this increase as we went along. So that's it. That's it, really. It's not I don't know, it's not complicated. Yes, so long as you find a lace design that allows for this. Now, like I said earlier, if your lace design doesn't allow for this, you can always make your lace without this dip, without this angle, without this tail. All right, so I could give you a clue on how to find. So you know those lace designs that enable us make a square yoke around the neck? That's the one. Yes, that one right there will work out great for this, because of spots where those increases are supposed to be inserted. That is the spot you're going to be using to create your tail. Did you get that? If it's unclear, let me know in the comment section below. So we made that part. Okay, and then of course we had to work up creating the armholes. So the design continues, right? The same four, what would I call it now? Yeah, four row set. So of course we started with the double crochet row, and then we worked the V stitch row, and then we worked the clusters, the two together clusters, two double crochet stitches together, and then we worked the mesh row and started all over again. So that should take you up to as long as you need. For this one we needed a 7-inch up, and then we got that. So next we joined at the shoulders. Okay, we joined at the shoulders, and then next we worked these sleeves. We used the same design, right? For the step lace design, we used that. The 4-row lace design, we used that. So you see right there our double crochet around row. That's it. And then the V stitch row, you may not see that really clearly because we used the shimmers. We used golden shimmers on black for the sleeves, so it might be unclear, but whatever style you used here is what we now used here for the sleeves. All right, we made it really short, right there. You can see that it's a short sleeve. We did same for the other side. And then what else did we do? We created this collar slash lace, collar slash tie. I call it a tie, you know, collar slash tie. So we walk around the around the neck first of all in collar format. You would have from this point, I don't know how well you can see that, from this point around all the way to this point. When we're done working the collar, we now extended this using double crochet stitches and single crochet stitches. So double crochet row, single crochet row, double crochet row, single crochet row, to create a form of solidness and tautness to it. So we worked up all of that, and then we edged that neckline to ensure that it is nicely put together. So you see that right there. I edged the entire thing all around, from the lace, meaning from the tie, all around the collar, down back to the tie, you know, just complete that whole you know, design right there. Now, I'm sure you would have noticed that the lower part of the dress was also made in the shimmers. This was supposed to be, like I said, this dress could work for different purposes, right? So if you add some form of glitter to it, it means you're going to be wearing it to a wedding of sorts, yeah? But if you make this in a solid color, you can wear it to work. Okay, I don't know how lenient your bosses are with shimmers at work, but if they allow that, then all the better. But essentially, shimmers indicate some form of glitter, indicate some form of say ceremony. So yeah, weddings in this case. All right, that's about it for the dress. I think I have covered all the parts here. Do not forget to edge your sleeves as well. Whatever that needs edging and neatening up, do not forget to do that. So yeah, that's about it for this dress. It's a really simple dress to work, especially since it is lace and repetitive. That's the beautiful thing about patterns. They're just repetitive. You keep repeating 4 rows, you walk 4 rows, repeat it all the way to whatever length you want. This dress can be worked all the way to the ankle. Yes, you can totally do that. And then we edged the base as usual. I think I've mentioned how we edge our bases before. Chains, yeah, and then single crochet stitches, or chains and then slip stitches, just at regular points to give it that wavy look and feel. You know, that's it. Do let us know in the comment section if there's any part of this video that's quite unclear to you, and we'll do our best to, you know, send you an explicit an explicit you know, yeah, an explicit piece of that part. Remember to subscribe, remember to follow, remember to leave a nice comment, remember to like what you find, and remember to share. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye for now.